Welcome back. This is part 17, and in this part we're going to take a look at checkmate. Checkmate is when the opponent king is under check and it cannot escape from the check. So for example, in a scenario like this, if I give a check here, the enemy cannot escape. These two are covered by the king and this is covered by the rook, and the king is under check by the rook. Okay, so let's go and implement that. In the arbiter we can have a is checkmate, and the checkmate is basically the same as stalemate with just a small change. So in a stalemate the player was not in check and it has no legal moves. Here the player is in check and has no legal moves. So it's basically the same thing. Okay, so we write it very fast. Then of course we need to go to the pieces and check for the checkmate, just like we did here. There is another else is checkmate, the same stuff, and now you would dispatch let's say detect checkmate, and of course we need to define it in the reducer. So let's go up here first, put it here, then go to the action types. Here we would call it, let's say, win, because it's the same for white and black. Win, and in the game it would be like stalemate with a small change, so detect checkmate, and we could say that basically who is the winner, so we probably would get a winner here, and we would say that this is a win, and the winner is the winner that is being sent here. So let's go to the reducer, just get something like this and put it here. If it is a win, we would get the state and we would say the status is the winner. So if the action.payload white, then we say that white is winning, so status dot white, otherwise status dot black, and in the status we say that okay, white is winning or black is winning. So this is this, and let's go to the pieces again. Let's go here and do this, go here. So something is not triggered. Let me go to the components. So it's still ongoing, something didn't trigger. Let's first check it here. Yeah, this should be not. So if not is in check, then it's not checkmate. Let's check it again. Yeah, yes, white wins and then new game. Okay, but this is a little bit empty. I want to have a white king when white wins. Apart from that, everything is working fine. So let's go here, let's go to the CSS file here and add a few white wins. Yes. So not white but black. And the black is the same. For the draws, I want to have two kings. So dot draws. So if I do this, there is a draw. Then I can, yes. So everything is working perfect now. The game of chess is basically done. Let me go here and to finish it off. Yeah, we can play the game of chess. Yeah, the king is under check. I can only move this. Move this. I cannot move it here. So let's go here, do this. This black can give a check. We can capture, another check. We capture, and so forth and so on. So let's checkmate black while we can. I don't know, something like this, and white wins. Cool. So thank you for watching. The game is almost over. The only thing that I want to do in the next video is just add the list of the moves here and add a take back button in the button. So thank you for watching and see you in the next and last video.